I do think that there are quite a lot of women like me. When I was in college, the whole public debate was raging about, can women have it all? Can we be executives and sit on various boards, be scholars, and have children? And at that moment, something emerged for me. It's not necessarily having it all, but it's really being at peace with my choices. Really being at peace with my choices.
I have found that women do want to have it all. I think women can do everything, but not all at the same time. And due to the fact that we're women, our life comes in segments. And we need to take advantage of that rather than bemoaning it.